Do you want to efficiently copy and paste elements of your PCB? Altium has a nice way to do that. Let's do an example. I'll copy these lines, Control-C, and I get these crosshairs. This is my copy reference. Let's set the copy reference to this point right here. Now Control-V, and I paste from that point. I'll hit the space bar once, and I can place it. Let's do this again. Now select all of these lines, Control-C, but this time I'll set my reference from the origin. If I paste at the origin and press the space bar twice, I've completed my board outline. You can even do this with other elements. Let's combine it with the filter tool. I'll make it so that I can only select tracks. Then I'll drag a selection box, Control-C, and I'll set my copy reference to this first pad. Then when I place, I can just place on the pads and repeat this track. Let's do this for each row. Control-C, again from the first pad. Control-V, and put it on this pad. One more time. Control-C, and Control-V. Now I've efficiently routed all of these connections. That's all. Thanks for watching.